So this is how you can do the Christmas notes on Facebook Messenger. I'm gonna open up my Messenger and show you the keywords that you can use in order to get that Christmas themed note. So you can try a few Christmas themed words, like for example, Christmas tree, or Merry Christmas, or presents. So whenever you type something like that, Merry Christmas, your notes should look like a festive themed note. Like for example, it's going to have like I think it's going to have a red background and a Christmas tree, but I'm not really sure because whenever I try to do it, it just stays bland. It stays normal because it's probably the app itself. Maybe I haven't updated, but if I go onto App Store, it should say update. That would mean that my messenger is outdated, but it doesn't. So I don't really know what the problem is. Maybe you could try it out with your phone. Maybe it just doesn't work on specific phones or a specific country. And maybe there's only like a few people that can do these Christmas notes. But you could try keywords like I said, like for example, Merry Christmas or Christmas tree, presents, gifts, Santa, Santa Claus. You could even try the Christmas emojis like I'm going to show you right now. If you go here and then type Christmas, there you go. You could try these emojis out and see if they work. But sadly, they don't for me. So you could try this out for yourself. Open up Messenger and do these steps I told you. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.